Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds bling.
Hey y'all, welcome to another Vlogmas video. I'm Jasmine. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I woke up a couple hours ago, but I've been having a very slow morning trying to pull myself together because it's such a gloomy day. It's raining. It's like nasty outside. The weather outside is looking like I want to stay home, watch Netflix, eat soup. Like that's the kind of vibe it's given. And there's supposed to be like a storm going on. I don't know, it's not looking like a storm, it's just like wet outside. But anyways, we are blessed to be alive, thank God. So I'm not gonna complain, but I do want to put some of this on my lips though. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm. This is in Poppy. I'm gonna use a view liner just to see what I'm doing. It is like it's like 10 o'clock right now. I haven't had coffee or anything, so I'm gonna make myself a cold brew. I was actually gonna go out and get breakfast, but then I was like, maybe I should just make it. I don't know. I'm still kind of decided. And maybe I'll just go get Dunkin or something, so that way we could have like a nice brunch and they can have a snack after, and then we can have dinner later. So I just decided that I'm gonna order Dunkin and I'm gonna go pick it up because they have a lot more variety when it comes to like the sandwiches and stuff. Starbucks, Kylie loves Starbucks, but I feel like Clay is he only likes the croissants, so Dunkin has more options for him. I don't know if I want an avocado toast. That kind of sounds good, but at the same time I don't know if I feel like eating that. My stomach is like kind of hurting. I think I'm gonna get a matcha. I think I'll do matcha today. I just feel like getting a matcha. So I'll do matcha with oat milk. They have like all these holiday drinks here. Oh, I have a reward. Oh, I have points. I have points. Okay, let me see. One time I ordered Starbucks at the wrong location, and then I went to the location and I'm like, I ordered with my drink, and they're like, no, we don't have that order. And then I went to my phone. Thankfully, I'm not the type of person that's gonna argue back and forth because I hate to look stupid. So I went to go check my phone, and surely I ordered to somewhere else. They were kind enough to give me a free drink, which I was really thankful for. I've experienced that on the other end with like a client or like a patient, for example, and they're going back and forth talking about they did something and I'm like, you didn't, or you know, it's just, and then they are like people who are like wrong and strong. Girl. And I know the feeling because I do it sometimes with like Johnny, but like I'm not gonna do that outside in public, okay? Like, no. Let me go get dressed, you guys. My closet is looking absolutely crazy. I need to do it. I need to clean it. Maybe we should do that today. Do you see that? Do you see what's going on in there? It looks crazy. I have all my sweats over here. Hand bottoms. This is from Skims. It's a pretty old like velour. It's a two-piece set actually. I have the bottom somewhere. This I feel like is my least favorite thing I ever ordered from Skims. I have maybe 2 or 3 things that I wasn't a fan of. Actually, I don't really mind the top piece. Is the pants that I really hate. So yeah, this is the top, and then I'm wearing just like some sweats. These are from Primark. I'll throw on some Uggs, and we need to go because the food's probably ready, because Dunkin be mad quick. Dunkin be like, it feels like spring outside because it's like cold, but it's not that cold, and it's raining, so it feels like it's springtime. It's so weird. But it's also gloomy, but it's also really, really gloomy. Like, I'm so confused. What is the temperature? All right, let go. Get the camera in the car because it's too much going on. That was crazy, y'all. But I got my matcha, got Claire's food and donuts, and we're gonna go home because it's disgusting out here. I'm gonna have a hash brown. I'm gonna have one of these. Oh my gosh. back home. All right, back home. So this is the donut box, a little holiday. This is my matcha. So these are the flavors. Very holiday-esque. Where's my straw? I can't do this. Can I do this with one hand? Pretty good. It's here. While I'm here, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update on the kitchen. Because I haven't given you guys one in a minute. So clearly they did the floors, looks amazing. They put on the countertops. This is so nice and like even looks even better in person. When I selected it, I only saw like a little piece of it, maybe like half of this, but seeing the whole thing laid out like this looks so nice. So they do have to come back and put in the backsplash, but yeah, it's looking really good. The fridge is in, everything. We just need to paint, get some lighting in, and the backsplash, and I think we're pretty much done. Like it looks really good. The sink is in, we have the faucet, but it's not in yet. And I think that's pretty much everything that I showed you guys. I think that's everything from the last update I gave you guys. This is the fridge we selected. This one has the water thing inside. The other one had it on the outside. But this is definitely like an upgrade.
Can I see, Mommy? Where's the inside part?
It's right here.
Oh.
Yeah. What else? I don't remember what else I showed you guys. But yeah, this is the biggest thing. Like the countertops and the floor, I think, are the main things that change. Oh, also the top of the cabinets. I think he did that last time, and I don't think I showed you guys that. So the cabinet guy is done. It's just now the countertop people and well, for the backsplash, and then the plumber. Yeah. And we had the electrician put in like the USB outlets here, so you can charge your USB cord directly, because originally he just had like regular outlets, like, you know, these, but we wanted him to put some with USB. So like right here, this one has a C and a USB, which is nice. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and that's Callie.
Eating a donut.
All right, let's see which one my dad wants.
I think he wants the pink one.
The pink one?
Yeah. Didn't he tell you to get him a pink one?
I don't think so. I think he said plain.
Oh.
Where is he?
Grandpa?
These three are left, and I don't know if I want Boston cream, sugar donut, or this. This is third. So this is like my least favorite out of these three. So my favorite donut is a Boston cream, but I don't know if I feel like eating that much sugar right now. It's a lot. This sugar donut is also very sugary. I mean, they're all sugary, I guess. I mean, I don't know. So right now I'm doing my emails. I'm just going through and making sure I don't miss anything. Sometimes I'll miss emails. It's so weird. Like I get a follow-up email to an original email that I never saw, where I check my email every single day. Like I don't know. I'm not sure if like the email gets stuck somewhere in cyber world, and when they send the follow-up, then it gets pushed out. Because I promise I check my email every day, that especially my business email. So I don't really know like how this happens. So right now I'm just searching keywords in the search bar just to make sure I don't miss anything or didn't miss anything. Alright, so I need to start editing today's vlog. So I have my hard drive over here to start editing. So I'm gonna work on that. It's a little later, you guys, and I am about to start cleaning. I have a bunch of stuff. Finally gonna start cleaning my room because it's looking crazy. The closet is a mess. I have a lot of stuff in front of me that you can't even see, but there's like tons of things, just things. I have a glove hanger with a kid's sock on it, kids clothes. It's just a lot. I have different piles that I started. So I have some for Salvation Army slash Goodwill, and then I have some that's laundry. So yeah, I'm just looking through the sizes because like this is 7 through 8, so that's good. I really don't know. I got this made for Callie's 7th birthday. Give this away because whenever I wear it, I'm just not satisfied. So I'm gonna put this in Salvation. Oh, I forgot all about this skirt. This is a nice skirt. This is a coupon. Oh, it's a coupon. $75 off $200 for Express, and it's actually still valid. Hey y'all, so it's been a few hours since I last spoke to you guys. It's now 6:30. I cleaned up my room for the most part. The closet looks pretty good. I still have some things to do. I have some trash to take out, and I need to organize the closet. So I cleaned it out, but I need still to organize. Oh, actually I still need to take out some pieces that I wanted to store, but I need a bin and I couldn't find an empty bin to use. So I need to do that. I might do it tonight. I don't know. I feel like maybe I can do it tonight because I still have energy, which is odd. But I spent the last hour, I would say, after cleaning the closet. After cleaning the closet, I did start editing today's vlog. So I finally finished editing and uploading VLOGMAS day. I finally just finished editing and uploading the VLOGMAS video, so I'm gonna make that live right now. I'm so behind with comments. I'm so sorry. I was not trying to get behind, but I feel like it was a little inevitable because just like so much is happening, and I fell off. So I try to like at least like the comments, but some of them I feel like I have to respond. So, and I don't want to like it because once you like a comment, the way YouTube is set up, like if you like a comment, it acts as a response, so it takes it off your unread section. Yeah.
Don't we not have school next week?
You have school next week.
I do?
You do.
I thought we don't.
The week after.
Oh. But I can't go to school. I'm sick.
Girl.
I can't though, Mommy. For real, I can't. So I just need 5 days off.
No, you don't. Bye.
No, I need 7 days off. Please.
Callie, please.
I only need 7 days off. And then I'll go back to school.
Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
But it's like, you know, like you work like a lot of the time and like you need breaks sometimes. So like I should get like a 5-day break.
You're getting a break, remember?
Like virus.
No. Come get y'all knees because I think I'm gonna turn my phone off for the night. Like I'm gonna close my phone, turn it off, and just have family time. I will vlog a little because I can vlog, but I'm not gonna be on my phone. So I'll see you guys. Well, I'll see you guys I'll do comments tomorrow, and I'll keep talking to you guys on this camera. Also, just got off the phone with Johnny. He's grabbing dinner. He's gonna get like hibachi, so I'm excited. I love hibachi. All right, Johnny just came home with the food, so I'm just gonna take everything out, show you guys what we got. Got a little tray here. Salad. This is mine. I wanted salad. Johnny always gets soup, so I ordered him a soup. What's this? Maybe that's mine. Oh yeah, this is Johnny's, so that must be mine. This is something else. And this is Johnny's miso soups, my side salad. I just ate, you guys, and food was delicious. Whew, now I am so stuffed. Yeah.
No. He was like.
I had. Let's take a moment of silence for my 5 kills, and I was doing so bad before. All right. Now we're taking that moment of silence. Let's continue.
A moment
Okay,
of
where should
silence.
we go?
Daddy, you can pick.
Let us continue.
Daddy, you can pick.
I can pick because I won.